Hi, I'm Sheila Howell, and I am a marketer of real estate services with Red One Realty. I specialize in Central Ohio, and today I just want to share with you a little bit about luxury homes. So while many people wouldn't think of Central Ohio as having luxury homes, those of us in this part of Ohio, we know that there are so many stunning homes, beautiful horse farms, rolling hills, and upscale condos. And it's a little known secret that we keep dear to our hearts, but we're going to share a little bit of that today. So if you're looking to relocate to the area or are from the area and in search of a luxury home, I can help you find that perfect home for your lifestyle. My team of experienced professionals, we're here to help you. So whether it be helping with the financing, we've got a great team of mortgage brokers that are phenomenal. Like, they get deals closed faster than I can even imagine. And then, whether it be negotiating, my team and I are expert negotiators. And then lastly, just the closing process. So we have a couple of vendors that we work with that are absolutely phenomenal when it comes to making sure that the closing goes off smoothly. So, that's just a little bit about the team that I work with. And then if you're looking for, to sell your home, come to us, because we really, like I said, we're really good at negotiating, and we'll work really hard to get you the best possible price when you're selling your home. My team has a network of qualified buyers that are eager to, purchase luxury homes, and then I can help you stage your home. I've got some great connections there so that we can get your home looking as spectacular as possible. And then the same thing with photography. So whether it be, inside, outside, we do both of those, of course, but we also do video, and then we also do the aerial shots. So those are all part of our standard practice when we're dealing with a luxury home, because we know that building our toolkit with those assets is really important when it comes to marketing your home. And then lastly, I just want to share, the commitment of myself and the team. We really pride ourselves in offering the best possible service, and we're available to you to answer your questions. Doesn't matter if it's the weekend or the holidays, evenings, bright and early in the morning, someone will be there to answer your call. So anyway, I'd love to be able to help you with your real estate needs, and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.